Hello, welcome to NoobTube YouTube channel, day 56. Today is the 26th of October, 2022, and this is the events that occurred on the 25th of October, 2022, day 56. So it started with exercise. I only did 21 minutes because I woke up late. I got the 4-minute jog involved with those 21 minutes, but it was an abbreviated session, which is fine. Actually, that's good. It gives my body a chance to rest, because I don't take any rest days or cheat days or anything like that. My goal is to get on the treadmill and do at least 1 minute. So while I like to do 45 minutes, I don't call it a goal. I call it just a preference. And then the goal is to get on there. The goal or the commitment, yeah, let's say it like that. The commitment is to do 1 minute on the treadmill, come hell or high water, and the goal is to do 45 minutes. So I think that might sound good. Same with the gym. The goal is the the commitment is to go to the gym and put my gym clothes on every day, and the goal is to do something. So whether I meet that goal or don't, I'm meeting my commitments. That's the most important thing. So yesterday, my daughters, both my oldest daughter, or my middle daughter, I should say, did not wake up in time for school. So I wound up taking both my daughters to school, dropping one at the middle school and dropping the other at the high school. They're right across the street from each other. So that was, no extra effort on my part. Uh, but yeah, we all overslept on yesterday. So um, I got up a little bit later and I had less time to do my exercise, so I could be taking the girls to school on time. Although the older daughter was already late. So, and then I went to the gym after that. Then after that, I had some more training for for the insurance. The open season's about ready to start on the 1st of November, so they're trying to get us all trained up and up to speed and all our accounts set up. So did that training, lasted almost 2 hours, and then I worked on the book business for a while. Did some remote wellness academy that had an introduction to module 4, and then I got caught up with emails because my emails had been backlogged and I needed to archive some of them, answer some of them, pay a couple of bills, that sort of thing. So that was my day for day 56. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, and I look forward to speaking with you, talking to you, making this video tomorrow. Thank you.